Road rage here on the Santa Monica Freeway. This happened Tuesday afternoon around 2 o'clock near the Normandy Avenue exit in the Adams Normandy neighborhood of South LA. Witnesses say a man and his son began beating another man over a fender bender. The man who was attacked says they actually caused the fender bender. This is what it looks like
when an idiot decides to brake check you. Normally people brake check you because they already in front of you, not come up and jump in front of you and brake check. Very bad, pathetic.
Ryan Sweat in court, accused in a road rage incident that left a woman fighting for her life. Police say he ran down 26-year-old Destiny DeCoff on Hayden Row Street in Hopkins. Telling police Sweat brake checked the other car. Police say those people got out and Sweat drove at them twice, hitting DeCoff. In court, Sweat appeared surprised when the prosecutor described her injuries.
There is some significant concerns as to whether or not she'll survive the injuries she suffered. She suffered major internal injuries, including extensive facial trauma. Her pelvis and both legs were likely broken.